Welcome back, guys. How you guys doing? It's your boy Snow First again. I'm back again with another exciting video. Um, it is my first time trading the US election. Actually, I was actually going to stay on the sidelines, but it's actually my first time being in the trading the US election, and the experience is what I see in the market. I'm not more of a fundamental trader. I'm more of a technical trader. So most of my trading decision can come from technical decisions. So when I see price doing a certain thing, I react to what price is actually doing. But I have an expectation in the market before the US election this week. So I actually pay attention to the week ahead. No, so what I'm seeing in the market, let me just walk you guys through what I'm seeing in the market. Let me take you guys to the chart and show you what I'm seeing in the market. Okay, guys, this chart is the Nasdaq. So this is the Nasdaq chart. So prior to the the new week, which is when we had this expansion to the upside, I was actually looking at this fair value gap to be a seller offer, because after price went up to the side, although we had this relative equal highs here, this high and this high needed to be taken out. So in this area, I was like, okay, since I saw this displacement leg before this new week, so this is Friday. This candle is actually Friday, and this is Monday. So I was thinking, okay, we'll go to trade into this place and continue selling off, probably to this inefficiency right here. That was what I anticipated for the week. So I came into the market, and on Monday, I normally do not trade Mondays, which is Monday was clearly an indecisive day, but I do not trade Mondays. So Tuesday, what I'm seeing, I saw price trading into that resistance range, but I wasn't quite sure. I needed confirmation to be in that trade. Let me go straight to the 1 hour and show you something. So yeah. So that's it. So this is Monday, this area. So if you see it's an indecisive day. We didn't have much price action happened here. So Tuesday, price actually, so this move went up all the way around this area. Around this area here was that daily fair value gap where I was actually looking for price to trade into and give me a confirmation to be bearish. But price went up there, up to throughout the session, the AM session. I didn't see any form of reversal or anything to get me into that trade, because I needed this low here to be broken for me to actually want to be a seller. But it didn't break this low up to PM session. So PM session continued moving. So this is one of the number one thing every trader needs to understand and need to have as a trader. That is the patience to wait for your setup to form. So if I was not patient, maybe I used to be very, very impulsive before, where I would just believe this PDRA will hold from the higher time frame. I would just jump into that trade. Then later it smooths me out. So I waited for a 30-minute or 1 hour change in the state, because if this structure would have been broken, this whole candle here would have been a change in the state for me, and I would have ride it all the way to the downside. But price didn't do that. It actually went up. So I waited and waited and waited. I got bored and I left. So coming back later in the day, and I saw price went up, taking out this structure here and continue going up. So if you look at this expansion move here, was the ASEAN session, when the ASEAN session for Wednesday opened. So Wednesday we saw this price trade into this inefficiency here and continue going up. That was exactly when I knew we are we are now in the we are going to be bullish, and we are going to be looking for this high. This high here. Let me go to the 4 hour and show you where I think my joint liquidity would have. So yeah. So when I that was when I saw it. So this Wednesday here. This Wednesday. So this is when I saw this, and I saw this. What time is this? I saw this before the open market open. This inefficiency happened around 9:30. So I was not sure we are going for these highs. I was just a little shaky. So I was a little bit. That was when I was confident for these highs. So I went in for a buy. I'll show you guys here. Here's the trade I took on this area. So I went in on that trade, 15-minute time frame. Bang, bang, bang. Let me take you guys to that trade. So this is it. So I actually just took only 2 trades this week, and I called it, and I was okay. Despite the fact that I took a very low risk on the trade. So this was the draw on liquidity. I wanted price to trade into any discount period and continue going up to this high. So from my entry point, so after I saw this leg, this is the 930 leg, it traded down, take out on short-term low and displaced to the upside. This candle here, this candle is another block for me. So that was where my entry was. So from this area to this area, so that was about 125 points, and that was what I took off the market, and the market continued rallying to the upside. And it looks like a very slow movement on the lower time frame here in the 15 minutes, but on the higher time frame it was a bang move, man, a very huge move, which if I had, through my method of trading, I trade when the New York market opens. I do not engage the market when it's outside the Q zone or my expected time. So that was how Tuesday was one of the biggest. Wednesday was the largest range for this week, and Thursday I think I took another trade on Thursday. No, that was on Friday. I didn't take any trade on Thursday because we have already taken out these all-time highs here. So I was a little bit I wasn't confident enough to go into this all-time high, so I was just on the sidelines and observe what's gonna happen. So on Friday was a very slow range day, but I managed to take out a little bit something of the market. Yeah, that was the trade. I haven't even taken out the lipstick on it. So this is it. I believe I posted it on my. So this is how I got into the trade. I traded into this PDRA, this other block, and boom, it shifted to the upside. I saw this. That was where my entry was, and I showed out, anticipating wanted to take out this high. Price did exactly as I anticipated. Taking out that high, reversed back into the range, and it was a wrap for the week. So that was a TGIF trade. Although a lot of us might be expecting price to trade back into the weekly range, but due to the confirmations I had on this time frame, and US 30 was just running higher. Let me show you US 30. US 30, if I had been on that trade on US 30 on Friday, maybe, but I decided to trade the Nasdaq because US 30 has run faster than I even expected. So this is it. US 30 would have given us more money. So it's just 2 trades I took this week. So trading, if you guys know, is a waiting game. you have to be patient and wait for your share setup to form. I'll make another video. I'll make a video maybe this week explaining how you should see trading from a business perspective, like how you see trading like the pro, you know. So that's it. That's what I saw for this week. It wasn't too much. Regardless of what the market did, I was expecting to be bearish, or expecting the week to be bearish, but it turns out that the market had its own plan. So they sent price up. So the level of volatility I saw this week for this US election, trust me, what I believe will happen is that Trump is a businessman, and he works with this the richest man in America, which is Elon Musk. And these guys are into tech things, and Elon Musk, I think he's moving into crypto space. So I believe Trump being the president of the United States now can actually can actually drive the market more for us. These 4 years is going to be staying in the office. So I believe and I expect the market to move very well this time around for us. So every trader out there should be expecting more volatility this Trump's tenure. So that's it. And another thing is, I was supposed to show you guys this thing on the chat, but sometimes I do not structure my videos sometimes. So what I'm expecting for next week is, I'm still expecting bullishness on the Nasdaq and also the US 30 continue. The Nasdaq is going to I expect it to keep breaking highs next week. So previous week's high is definitely going to be broken, and we're going to keep going up, not to up. But this week I'm sure we are going to be bullish this week. So all my anticipation for this week is bullish. So I don't know about you guys, but this is my opinion on the market. So that's what I want to just say about this week, just like a weekly recap and what I saw on the market. So it's my first time trading the US election. This is my 4 years in trading, and I've no experience even though I experienced it, but I'm still an infant trader. Then I really do not know much about the fundamental side of the market. So, but now, funny enough, it didn't really affect this volatility wasn't much on currencies. Like I went to the Euro USD, I wasn't seeing much volatility there compared to what happened on the stock index, like US 30 and Nasdaq, S&P 500. But it is what it is, man. The US market. That's why I like trading the market. The market is a very fast market. Your ASAP movement is your quick money. You know, I like trading in indices because I have some level of confidence in that market. It's Sunday, guys. I'll be going to church. I hope you guys go to church as well. And I'll call this video here. So peace out, guys. See you guys.